Doi's hiccups won't stop. Something strange happened to Doi. Hic! A small sound came from Doi's mouth. Hic! Hic! Doi's eyes grew wide. Doi touched their chest and thought, why won't this stop? At that moment, tremendous chaos was happening inside Doi's body. Deep in the control room, small workers wearing yellow hard hats were rushing about busily. Alert! Alert! Doi has started drinking formula again. A small worker in a yellow helmet waved their hand and shouted. The supervisor, Big Boss, slammed down his coffee cup with his large hand and yelled, all right, team, we're going by the training. Doi is drinking fast. We need to make space. Prepare for diaphragm stretching. Yes, boss, another worker shouted, unrolling a blueprint. At this rate, a big hiccup is coming. Suddenly, rumble crash, a massive vibration shook the room. Hic! Doi's body trembled, and the workers grabbed onto whatever they could. Everyone hold steady as trained, Big Boss shouted. The workers began pulling levers, expanding valves, and monitoring gauges. Open valve number 3, expand by 20%, an assistant shouted. A small but enthusiastic worker called out, we did it! 13th hiccup controlled! But the joy was brief. Wait, Doi is taking another gulp, Big Boss yelled. Everyone back to positions! The team rushed back to their stations, sliding down poles and tightening their helmets securely. Prepare for impact! Big Boss shouted, and another hiccup shook the entire control room. After the shock passed, the workers looked at each other and laughed. Those hiccups really won't stop, a worker laughed, wiping sweat from his forehead. Inside the control room, Big Boss and the team were having a serious meeting. Listen up! We have a schedule. Formula at 9, nap at 10, and more formula at 12. If the hiccups continue, the whole plan falls apart. Boss, we've already maxed out the diaphragm stretching, a worker shouted from the back. Then we need backup, Big Boss said firmly, grabbing a red phone. It was labeled Emergency Call. Call the esophagus team. Moments later, muscular small workers burst through the door. Need pressure control? Their leader cracked his knuckles with a smile. That's right, Big Boss replied with a smile. Time to get this right. The two teams worked in perfect coordination. Levers were pulled, gauges were adjusted, and pipes were reconnected. Doi's body shook hard one last time, hic, hic, and then silence. Doi blinked and smiled brightly. When the hiccups stopped, Doi clapped and cheered. Inside the control room, the workers collapsed into their chairs. But they all had happy expressions. We did it! Big Boss said, taking off his helmet and looking at his team with proud eyes. One of the small workers took off his helmet, smiled brightly, and gave a thumbs up. Now, that's real teamwork.